In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PDF and link it to a text link or button in Chrome. To get started, open the page or editor where your content is already placed and locate the exact text link anchor phrase you want to update. If you're not working with text, you can instead select the target button block that should send people to your PDF. The key here is to make sure you've clicked the correct element before making any changes. So take a second to confirm that the item you want to edit is highlighted and active on the screen. Once that's selected, look for the primary link tool, which is represented by a chain icon in the editing overlay or interface. Go ahead and click that chain icon to begin editing the destination for the selected text or button. This opens the linking controls where you'll be able to decide where that link should send visitors. Next, find the settings icon shown as a small gear next to the destination or URL input field and click it. This area usually gives you more link destination options beyond just typing in a web address. If you don't immediately see it, look carefully around the URL field because it's often placed nearby in a compact toolbar. After that, select File from the options shown in the left side column or menu. Choosing File tells the system that instead of linking to another page or external website, you want this element to open a document. This is the important step that switches the link type to a file-based destination. Now click the Upload icon, usually displayed as an arrow, to choose your PDF from your local device and upload it. When the file browser opens, navigate to the correct PDF and select it. Make sure you're uploading the final version you want viewers to access, since using the right document now helps avoid having to replace it later. Once the upload is complete, look for your newly uploaded file in the list. Check the box next to that file to confirm it as the one you want to use, then click Save. That final save action applies the PDF as the destination for your selected text link or button. After saving, it's always a good idea to test the link once to confirm it opens the correct PDF. And that's it. You've successfully connected your text or button to an uploaded PDF file.